Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. So guys, this is what we call here in Nigeria Abacha, or the African salad. This meal is so nutritious, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere and watch how I prepared this delicious meal for my family. Thank So I used dried abacha. You can get it in the market. I had to use hot water so that it can soften a little bit, because when it dries it's very strong. This is me pouring water to the abacha, and this is where I was preparing my kpomo, and some dried fish. I had to cook it a little bit and spice it up, and this is me cutting my garden egg, the green one. They have two types of garden egg, but for this meal I like to use the green garden eggs. Yes, and this is my fish, fresh fish. I fried it. So our abacha is ready now. You can see from the video, it's soft and ready to be used. So I set that one aside. Then this is my potash. We call it account. So I just take a little bit, guys, just a little. After I finish pouring with water, like allow the particles to set, I just take it up and mix it in my pan and add palm oil. This is the sauce. I'm preparing the sauce needed for this African salad. So this is me pouring my palm oil. You can use the quantity that you want depending on the quantity of African salad you need that you are using. So this is me pouring my palm oil and stirring it very well so that it can mix and have a smooth and creamy mixture. So I'm stirring this in my pan. You can use anything to turn. Me, I was using a small spoon. That's what I could lay my hands on at that moment. Okay, so after stirring and you're sure that it has mixed very well, I added my crayfish and my dried pepper. Yes, just some quantity, and I stir all of them together. I stir that a bit, and this is me washing my garden egg leaves. Yes, I was washing it, and this is ugba, oil bean. Yes, so I was just heating this a little bit, just to heat it a little bit. So I added that my kpomo and my dried fish that I was cooking that time. I added into that sauce that you saw me mixing earlier on. So this is me cutting my garden egg leaves. I wanted to prepare everything and set aside so that when I'm preparing the African salad, it's kind of easier for me, instead of doing one. I think it's better to prepare everything down, and when you just want to prepare, you just start taking them instead of you doing one by one. It's kind of easier. I don't know about you, but I like my kitchen, like everything be organized. So this is me cutting my fresh pepper. Fresh pepper. This is the yellow one, red one. They say yellow one gives this kind of flavor. Anyone you can lay your hands on. So this is what I had at the moment. So our fish is ready. It's me showing you, like I said, if I like to lay my ingredients: the garden egg leaves chopped and ready to be used, the ugba oil bean heated and ready to be used, then our sauce with kpomo and dried fish ready, our garden egg, and also the tiny garden eggs, that's baby garden eggs, I don't know, and this is our abacha, the African salad. So guys, let's dive in. So first of all, I had to add my sauce, that's that sauce that had the kpomo and the dried fish, into the abacha. The quantity I used, it was a very small quantity. Like, I don't know how to measure it, but it was a very small quantity. You can see from the video, it's not much. And when you're missing this, just know you're going to finish it for that day. African salad is not a food that you keep and you warm. It's something that you just mix and you eat everything at once. Yeah, you consume everything at once. So I like I said before, I did some for my family, and guys, this is the outcome of it. And this food is very nutritious, very nutritious, highly nutritious. The vegetables, the leaf, the proteins, the fish, the oil bean, all are very nutritious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.